Hi, little chef. Welcome to Roll for Creami. I guess I'm no longer known as the chef on the yacht girl. I'm now the can it creamy girl. First thing we're rolling for is base, and we got 4, so that means we're doing coconut milk. I've never used coconut milk as the base, so we'll see how this goes. I love the flavor of coconut milk, so I'm hoping we get some good mix-ins. Next, rolling for flavor, we got 6, banana. I'm using banana cream pudding mix, and these pudding mixes give it the best texture. Next, rolling for fruit, we got number 1, which is strawberry. Coconut, banana, and strawberry, this is pretty tame so far. Next, rolling wild magic, we got 14, which is spinach. Spinach is pretty mild, so this shouldn't change the flavor too much. Blended all this up, and looking a little chunky and a little brown. That's exactly how I like to eat my ice cream. Alright, so we're going to pack this bad boy up and put it into the freezer for 24 hours. I was told by the Creami community that I had to shave the bump down or else it would ruin the machine. I don't know. Look at that freaking color. It's like the Grinch came into town. It's looking pretty creamy too. Taste test. Whoa. Light, refreshing. It's not extra creamy. It's almost more icy. But you can't even taste the spinach. It just adds a beautiful color. And it looks healthy. 8.3 out of 10.